Remove 3 connectors from ARDF connectors. Lift up ARDF, then remove 2 screws at each hinge. Then carefully remove ARDF from the main body. Remove 3 screws from the front side of the scanner. Remove the front cover of the scanner. Remove 2 screws from the right side of the scanner. Remove the right cover of the scanner. Remove 2 screws from the left side of the scanner. Remove the left cover of the scanner. Remove 2 screws from the back side of the scanner. Remove the back cover of the scanner. Remove 6 screws from the upper part of the scanner. Remove the upper side cover of the scanner.